The web is loaded with data and benefits of blockchain innovation. To be sure, blockchain brings enormous potential with a ton of benefits to the table, particularly as far as security and speed of information move. Be that as it may, with regards to meeting the openness issues, blockchain has its own limits. Here comes the job of circulated record innovation that overrides the whole array of blockchain-based arrangements, giving responses to all questions that as of recently stayed unanswered. Before we dive into the Iota cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the remarkable highlights of Iota. Iota, the foundation. Appropriated record innovation is a by and large unique idea which individuals most frequently will more often than not mistake for blockchain-arranged digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, arising as the most encouraging answer for adaptability. This disseminated record innovation has been the base of beginning for Miota, or all the more famously called Iota. Iota, the development story. Discuss cash or bringing in cash. In any event, besides cash brings in cash, Iota is a definitive arrangement intended to improve the M2M economy of Web of Things. Iota was presented way back in 2015 as a quantum-safe conveyed record convention, with the unadulterated goal of Iota being to ensure a whenever anyplace available decentralized installment framework, be it miniature or nano. It offers arrangements that guarantee information respectability with next to no think twice about security. Iota, surety without any trade-offs. The difficulties of blockchain innovation being information openness likewise came in bundles. Those bundles included more slow exchanges yet greater expenses. Iota guaranteed these excess expenses are disposed of alongside the upside of the greater speed of exchanges. This valued computerized cash offered clients the benefit of fixed cash at no inflationary expense. The decentralized agreement of Iota makes clients their own lords of approval. Like blockchain, this computerized resource Iota additionally doesn't call for pretending of any mediators. Dealing with a completely unique record stage called the knot, Iota requires an extremely insignificant responsibility of computations. Like different stages, Tangle abstains from offering clients any gifts of remunerations and doesn't plan to do as such in the future by the same token. With a market capitalization of $2,205,228,080.42 and an exchanging volume of $17,708,800 Iota has a great deal to shock financial backers. Iota has to its dishonor being the slowest and surprisingly being the reliably developing crypto resource terminology. The organizers behind Iota are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Iota has a ton of vows to view for its fans. In view of our Iota conjectures, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Iota Miota cost expectation for 2027 is $6.35. With a 5-year speculation, the income at the cost of Iota is supposed to be around plus 439.36%. As per cost expectations, Iota could record present moment as well as long-haul rally, and the Iota cost might reach $3 mark end of 2022, as indicated by crypto examiners and specialized examination. The Iota cost is anticipated to reach $1.10 by the start of 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $1.44, and the least cost 99 cents. The anticipated typical cost of Iota toward the finish of 2022 is $1.40. According to Iota Gauge, Iota could show enormous head and shoulders triple base, and for the present moment, it could exchange around $3 yet later. It can stamp bullish energy and retest its past ATH around $20 throughout the following 5 years. Iota value conjecture, the swell, the rush, the chill. With the ongoing cost of 81 cents at the hour of composing this specialized examination and presently 2,779,530,283 Miota on the lookout. Iota cost expectations from the specialized investigators of the Iota cryptographic money market show a broadened pattern with a combine of bears and bulls as one. Nonetheless, the future cost expectations for 2022 are to a great extent bullish. However, Iota didn't beat during the last year. There is a ton to be said as a politeness pandemic. The majority of the contenders of Iota also didn't hypnotize the brokers by the same token. Nonetheless, Iota has attempted to cruise even, which is a special component to discuss. Its contribution in different audacious undertakings has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the force. The Iota establishment has reported that its original send-off Firefly, its new wallet, would change the situation radically for this advanced resource. The elements like reusable addresses, profiles, and so forth would improve the Iota network execution, supplanting the scandalous Trinity wallet. Iota value forecast 2022. At present, the Miota cost weights around 78 cents with a coursing supply of 2,779,530,283 Miota. The cash has a market cap of $2,184,444,517.43. Starting from the start of this current year, Iota has checked enormous decay and is exchanging simply over its vital help 74 cents. As per Iota Cost Forecast 2022, throughout recent days, the cost of Iota set apart sideways exchanging, which reflects plausibility of potential gain development the present moment. In view of Iota value figure and Iota cost expectation for 2022, we anticipate that Iota cost might cross $1.05 toward the finish of 2022. Iota value expectation 2023. Unpredictability is the intrinsic trait of the Iota coin, thus any kind of fantastical Iota Miota value forecast would be a tough undertaking. Nonetheless, going by the master value figure and market feelings, the state of mind looks quite good. As indicated by Iota expectation 2023, the Iota coin cost might cross the most extreme value level of $1.27 with conceivable least value level of around $1.04. The typical cost of Iota could reach to $1.16 toward the finish of 2023. Iota value expectation 2024. To anticipate long-haul Iota value gauges, dealers and Iota financial backers ought to do essential specialized examination, Iota network as well as basics, keeping likewise the incipient elements of Miota being not difficult to store and other DLT-driven ecological benefit. One can consider that Iota crypto conjectures would be essential to the mechanical progression of the record information base for adaptability and capacity. Additionally, keeping in context how Iota shares the rationale and data set of various gadgets that altogether run it, it makes the exchanges more solid and productive. This could drive the Iota versatility rate and increment its valuation to around $1.62 toward the finish of 2024. Iota value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the Iota value keeps on performing emphatically and reliably toward the finish of 2025, the Iota cost is anticipated to arrive at its greatest cost of $1.71. Iota will be considered as a wise speculation choice. And with the tremendous Iota people group, Iota cost will raise a ruckus around town highs. As per cost expectation, the typical cost of Iota toward the finish of 2025 may be around $1.57 with a base value level of $1.35. Iota value expectation 2026. Iota cost expectation for the following 5 years could try and be a distinct advantage, modifying Iota cost history flooding to another high. By 2026, the generally speaking crypto market could record critical exchanging movement which decidedly impact on costs of digital currencies. Alongside different coins, Iota might record enormous development which will help its cost of Miota to hit another high of $1.48. The base cost of Iota may be around $1.27 with the typical cost of $1.41 toward the finish of 2026 in the following 5 years according to Iota estimate. How would I make my Iota wallet? Your passkeys to arrive at the digital currency wallet stay saved money on your cell phone. Besides, you can rapidly and quick Iota all of your Iota coins. Is Iota what's in store? The Iota cost today is around $7.